darlings, welcome back to my channel. We are going to have spa vibes. Translation, we're going to have a beautiful skincare experience. As you very well know from the last episode which I did, I've done a couple of unboxings and I've gotten so much skincare. I'm in my 50s and I'm loving it. I really am. And I want to take care of my skin. So we are going to try a couple of products. Dr. SERUM, remember her? Yeah, I brought that out. We're going to give J-Lo, I love her big screen moisturizer. We're going with Medicube, pads, cleansing pads, yup. Let me bring it up forward. Yeah. And then we have a scrub. This is a gift from my husband. As you can see, Heaven Bird. Fantastic. Steam the face. Open the pores. I have open pores. I've always had open pores. And for me, that just wears makeup every day, for sure now that I'm trying to upload an episode for you guys every day, it gets all clogged up. So this just opens it up. I do a light scrub, cleanse, moisturize, serums, and I feel better. And I thought I would share. Ula got this for me. We got it on Amazon. Did we, Ula?
Yes, we did.
And it wasn't that expensive. It was like £50 or something like that. And when we had the lockdown, everything changed. I have a home gym and I have my spa treatments at home. And this works. It's so delicious. I use it on my stories all the time to show you guys. I'll put the link below. But you totally should have this. When I was going for all of my spas and skincare treatments, it always started with a steam. And Ula is very in tune with his feminine side. I love that about him. He doesn't mind 1 or 2 skin treatments. He doesn't. I'm stressed. Adrian is growing too fast. Adrian is growing too fast. He was a baby in my arms. I was breastfeeding. Now he's a toddler. Go. That's what he tells you. Go. So yeah, you can see this pimple here from the monthly cycle. So we're going to see how that all works out once we've had the steam. So I stay under it for what, about 20 minutes. It has a timer. I love this. It has a timer and then it goes off and we're doing everything honey buns in real time. Oh, I feel good already. And you don't feel hot because the steam goes in one direction and then you just kind of place yourself underneath it. I love this. I seldom get the time because of mama duties. So I decided to put it in an episode so I do get it. How are you doing, my loves? How are you doing? Oh, I can't explain it. It feels like I'm rich. Like we got money. That we really got money. Hilton money. You know? Oh. Hey, from my mouth to God's ears, somehow. Maybe we'll win the lottery. I don't know. Ula is good at that. But it's only for like 40, 50 pounds. I'm like, Ula, do something now. Win something. What are the numbers? He wins. He's like, Fumi, what about you? I said, I'm here to support. What?
I'm here to spend.
Of course, I'm here to spend. Look at me. Look at me. What other reason would I be here? And as far as I'm concerned, Ula, I have spat out of my body another human being in your likeness. All right. You should be grateful. Oh. All right, my darlings. So this is the steam. Absolutely delicious. Oh. And we're exactly where we want to be. My pores are all nice and open. And the next thing I'm going to go in is with the Ole HENRIKSEN walnut scrub. I love this. Just get off all the dead cells and all of that, you know. So let me stop this and I'll be right back, my darlings, okay? Oh, this was lovely. So now I'm going to put some walnut scrub because my skin is nice and soft. So I just get all the deadness out and I just scrub. Oh. I like a good scrub. I really do. Because you need to get all the junk out. The cheeks right here. Oily cheeks. And just scrub. Oh. Yes. I usually have like whiteheads on my chin, can't stand them. I get them here. And when I got pregnant was when I started getting 1 or 2 very strong, thick hairs on my chin. You should see me with my tweezer, it's in my bag at all times. All right, darlings, let me come and rinse off and we go on to the next stage, lips. Yeah, we're scrubbing the lips as well. Okay, be right back. Oh, that felt wonderful, yes. And then I'm going to go in with Sugar Lip. I don't know if you guys can see, it is by Beauty Bakerie Sugar Lip Scrub. And for the longest time I thought, no, you don't need a scrub for your lips. Yes, you do. With the amount of liquid lipstick that we wear, yeah. And this is a strawberry. You just rub it. It's so nice. Yeah. So, can you eat it? Yeah. Most scrubs you can. Get rid of all of that dryness on your lip. And you can use my discount code for Beauty Bakery. Yes. Fantastic. I have a wet towel here. Oh, that feels good. Then we're going to use Medicube Zero Pore Pad 2.0, the suction cover. And look, yes, so you just take one. This is what they do at the spa. Very dramatic. And you cleanse. It's not burning. No. Down on my neck. Because I put makeup on my neck too, so that it can match my makeup. My face is a little bit darker than my neck. So we're just doing that. I enjoyed that. I'm going to use the big screen. This is from JLo. I've used it before, but I like it. So I'm going to use this and just moisturize the face. I like it because of the SPF. You need it. And get all of that in there. Again, down the neck. Down the neck. And then we are going to use KNC Beauty. Yes, we're using KNC Beauty. And this, my darlings, is a lip mask. Why not? Let's try it out. So we're gonna put this on. feels gorgeous. This, my darlings, is a skin gym, and I will tell you this, you feel it immediately after your exercise. You really do. The skin flushes, it feels much better. It is a necessity. You think not until you've tried it. And this, my darlings, in the evening, especially when my skin is tired and I've had like a long week, fantastic. Like I said, the lip mask just keeps my lips nice and moist, and they've even backed it up, which they call Super Balm, and that's from the same brand, KNC. I'm gonna put some on. Gorgeous. Squeeze some out. Voila. And put some on my lip. Oh yes. And that's just for the moisture. I like to do this at bedtime too. The little luxuries in life when my darling, beautiful, gorgeous husband only puts Adrian to bed, I get to do this. Absolutely, this feels so nice. I'm going to use the Kylie Skin Eye Cream. I love the applicator, and then the dofer at the end is gorgeous. So I just squeeze some out like so. There you go. You don't have to touch it with your fingers, and you can just put it underneath your eye like so. I love this too. And it removes the dark circles. And I had dark circles for a long time. The sleepless nights when I was breastfeeding Adrian, I was shocked. I was shocked. I really was. And then what I do is that I go in with my skin gym again, and I just roll it in. And you don't have to touch that delicate eye area. See? And you do it on the other side. Oh. This was much needed. We'll do more skin tutorials as well. But this was just something I wanted to share with you guys. And then last but not least, I have the Mario Meduscu. There you go. Can you see? Fantastic. And it's a drying solution for pimples and spots like this. So you see here, we're just going to put a little bit on there. Guaranteed. Following day, it's gone. So I'll just take a little Q-tip, just put some on there, and then you just dab. That's it. And it will dry it out. That can go into the bin, and voila. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. I will tell you guys, the Medicube pads, these ones, yeah, the hyaluronic serum. I'm feeling very happy with myself. I feel good. Oh yeah. And we'll see how this goes, okay, in the next couple of episodes. Guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this skincare experience. I am living for it, absolutely. And yeah, leave all your comments below, like, share, and give this episode a thumbs up if you liked it. Okay, I will see you very soon, my darlings, and we'll have some more fun. Are you guys liking the everyday episodes? Just let me know. Every day I'm going to really try. I'm making an effort here. Every day I'll bring something new to you guys. Okay, all of my love. Thank you so much for stopping by. Mwah. Love you. Bye.